I'm Russ Wilson with Acme Janter and Chemical Supply in Fayetteville, Arkansas. I am the manager of that facility. I have over 20 years experience in sales and management in the jan sand industry. My current knowledge to this point with concrete has been minimal. With the training that I've received from Betco, I've been able to help my customers solve some issues that they have not been able to deal with in the past. I believe the current trend today is going away from VCT and carpet due to maintenance and cost. By taking on the Crete RX line, I believe that has given us a chance to help our customers solve some problems that we weren't able to in the past, and another way for us to go to market.
I am Wayne Buttram. I'm the Director of Custodial for Springdale Public Schools. I've been in that capacity for almost 4 years. I have had probably about 21 years experience doing all the floors and stuff, but it dates back since when I was a small child. My dad did. My administrators had saw the value in what we had done with polishing our concrete. We had several opportunities that have just kind of come to light with humidity, carpet, and smells just from age. And as those wore, we started replacing some of that and we polished those. Carpet cost us 25% more on a daily clean than what we were able to do with polished concrete. Crete RX is designed to be able to take people that don't have a lot of experience of that and be able to have great success, high gloss, and achieve everything you would without having to have a huge investment in tools and have a lot of extensive training so you don't mess up the floor. As this has expanded, we found people that work for the district that had just immense talent. We've been able to allow them to have an avenue to showcase their talents and skills. Not a lot of money up front. You can do just so much concrete, polish it out. You can put your own colors, make it your own, be able to take care of it for pennies on the dollar. I mean, it would cost you 4 to 8 times as much to have someone else do it.